How to buy fractional shares on Tastytrade. Did you know you can buy fractional shares on Tastytrade? This feature allows you to invest in expensive stocks with as little as $1, giving you more flexibility in your portfolio. Here's how to get started. First, open the Tastytrade app or website and log in with your credentials. Next, search for the stock you want to invest in by typing the ticker symbol in the search bar. Once you've selected your stock, make sure the fractional shares option is enabled. This will allow you to purchase less than a full share of your chosen stock. Now decide how much money you want to invest. You can choose to invest any amount, from as little as $1, and the app will calculate how much of the stock you'll own based on your budget. After you've entered the amount, review your order to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, hit buy to complete the transaction. That's it. You've just bought fractional shares on Tastytrade. Now you can diversify your portfolio without breaking the bank. Happy investing, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your trading experience. Thanks for watching.